Our bodies communicate with us in countless ways, often more profoundly than words ever could. We feel our heartbeats, our breath, and the subtlest of movements, each telling a story of our inner state. One often overlooked aspect of this communication is our eye movements, which can reveal so much more than we realize. They are not just about seeing, they reflect our thoughts and emotions, acting as windows to our soul. Pay attention to how your eyes move when you're deep in thought or feeling emotional. Notice the subtle shifts and changes. You might notice patterns you've never seen before, patterns that reveal your inner dialogue and emotional state. These subtle movements hint at a deeper connection between our physical and mental states, a connection that is always present. Our bodies are constantly sending us signals, and learning to understand them can unlock a new level of self-awareness and insight. This awareness is the first step towards understanding the intricate connection between our physical and mental well-being, a connection that is vital for holistic health. By paying attention to these subtle cues, we begin to understand the language of our bodies, a language that speaks volumes. We start to see how our physical and mental states are intertwined, influencing each other in profound ways. This understanding paves the way for practices like meditation, which can help us delve deeper into our consciousness and foster a greater sense of peace and clarity. Meditation, in its many forms, offers a pathway to heightened self-awareness. It is a practice that has been embraced by cultures around the world for centuries. When we meditate, we focus our attention inward, quieting the constant chatter of our minds. This inward focus helps us to disconnect from the external noise and distractions that often cloud our thoughts. This practice allows us to observe our thoughts and feelings without judgment. By doing so, we create a space where we can understand our inner experiences more clearly. As we become more aware of our inner world, we also become more attuned to our physical sensations. This heightened awareness can lead to a deeper understanding of how our mind and body are interconnected. We notice the rise and fall of our breath, the subtle movements of our bodies, and even the flickering of our eyelids. Each breath becomes a reminder of our presence in the moment. This heightened awareness extends to our eye movements as well. Our eyes, often a reflection of our inner state, play a significant role in our meditative practice. During meditation, you might find your eyes naturally drawn upwards. This is a common experience and signifies a deeper level of inward focus. This upward gaze is not just a random movement. It reflects the inward focus of meditation, directing our attention towards the seat of our consciousness. It is a subtle yet powerful indicator of our meditative state. This connection between eye movements and our internal state highlights the profound interplay between our physical and mental selves. Through meditation, we learn to harmonize these aspects, leading to a more balanced and aware existence. Deep within our brains, nestled between the two hemispheres, lies a tiny pine cone-shaped gland, the pineal gland. This small but mighty gland is often overlooked, yet it holds significant importance in our daily lives. Don't let its size fool you. This small gland plays a vital role in our overall well-being. Despite being no larger than a grain of rice, it has a profound impact on our health. It's responsible for producing hormones that regulate our sleep-wake cycles, mood, and even our spiritual experiences. Melatonin, the hormone it secretes, is crucial for maintaining our circadian rhythms and ensuring restful sleep. The pineal gland's location, directly behind our eyes, has fascinated scholars and mystics for centuries. Its unique position has led to numerous theories and speculations about its purpose and potential. Some believe it acts as a bridge between the physical and spiritual realms, a gateway to higher consciousness. This belief has been a cornerstone in various spiritual and esoteric traditions throughout history. This connection to our spiritual side adds another layer of intrigue to this already fascinating gland. It is often referred to as the third eye, symbolizing insight and enlightenment. While its exact functions are still being unraveled by science, one thing is clear: The pineal gland is a key player in our overall health and well-being. Ongoing research continues to uncover its mysteries and potential benefits. Maintaining its health is crucial for a balanced and fulfilling life. Practices such as meditation, a healthy diet, and exposure to natural light can support its function and enhance our overall well-being. Unfortunately, the pineal gland is vulnerable to calcification, a process where calcium deposits build up, hardening the gland and hindering its function. This calcification is often linked to modern lifestyles and environmental factors. Our diets, often high in processed foods and artificial ingredients, contribute to this buildup. Additionally, fluoride, commonly found in toothpaste and mouthwash, is a known culprit in pineal gland calcification. Over time, these deposits can accumulate, affecting the gland's ability to produce essential hormones. This calcification can disrupt our sleep patterns, impact our mood, and even affect our spiritual connection. Recognizing these threats is the first step towards protecting this vital gland and ensuring its optimal function. Section 5. Serotonin and melatonin, the mind-body connection. The pineal gland is our primary source of melatonin, the hormone that regulates our sleep-wake cycle. It also plays a role in producing serotonin, a neurotransmitter that affects mood, appetite, and sleep. These two hormones work together to maintain our body's natural rhythms and promote overall well-being. When our pineal gland functions optimally, it releases these hormones in sync with our circadian rhythm, the natural 24-hour cycle that governs our sleep-wake patterns. This balance is crucial for a good night's sleep, stable mood, and overall health. However, when the pineal gland is compromised, it can disrupt the production of these essential hormones, leading to sleep disturbances, mood swings, and other health issues. Therefore, maintaining a healthy pineal gland is crucial for a healthy mind and body. The pineal gland's production of melatonin is directly influenced by light and darkness. As daylight fades, the pineal gland kicks into gear, increasing melatonin production and preparing our bodies for sleep. Conversely, when exposed to light, melatonin production decreases, signaling our bodies to wake up. This sensitivity to light highlights the pineal gland's role as our internal clock, keeping our bodies in sync with the natural rhythms of day and night. This internal clock is essential for regulating our sleep-wake cycle, hormone production, and other bodily functions. Maintaining a regular sleep-wake cycle, aligned with natural light patterns, is crucial for a healthy pineal gland and overall well-being. The pineal gland's role extends beyond just physical health. Many cultures and spiritual traditions believe it to be the seat of our consciousness, the bridge between our physical and spiritual selves. This gland is often associated with intuition, creativity, and our connection to the divine. Some believe that activating the pineal gland can lead to heightened awareness, spiritual awakening, and a deeper understanding of ourselves and the universe. While scientific evidence supporting these claims is limited, the pineal gland's association with consciousness continues to intrigue and inspire. Whether or not we subscribe to these beliefs, the pineal gland's connection to our consciousness reminds us of the intricate link between our physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. While modern life poses challenges to pineal gland health, there are ways to support its function and potentially even reverse calcification. A diet rich in organic fruits and vegetables, along with regular detoxification practices, can help remove toxins and heavy metals that contribute to calcification. Additionally, reducing exposure to fluoride and incorporating mindful practices like meditation can further support pineal gland health. By making conscious choices and adopting a holistic approach to well-being, we can nurture this vital gland and unlock its full potential. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 new habits into your routine and gradually build from there. Ultimately, the journey to unlocking the power of the pineal gland is about cultivating a deeper connection with ourselves. Mindfulness and meditation offer powerful tools for this journey. By quieting our minds, we can tune into the subtle messages of our bodies and tap into the wisdom of the pineal gland. This inward journey is not about seeking external validation, but about fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation for the miracle of our own existence. It's about recognizing the interconnectedness of our physical, mental, and spiritual selves and embracing a holistic approach to well-being. As we embark on this path of self-discovery, we open ourselves to a world of possibilities, unlocking the hidden potential within and living a more conscious and fulfilling life.